Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy G Smith, and today we're going to be playing Hoops Life Dribble Tutorial. So yeah, my audio didn't go through, but let's just go with it. Honestly bro, there's not going to be a lot of edits to this video, so let's go, you feel me? So yeah, honestly, so like and subscribe, and make sure to subscribe, yeah. Okay, first, so what we're going to do really is we're gonna do the behind the back, you feel me, the behind the back. So like, you just do the left D-pad, left down D-pad, right down D-pad. Told you there's not gonna be a lot of edits to this video, so shit, you got to see another video. So yeah, honestly, that's that, honestly. So yeah, we're just gonna go through this together, so yeah. And now we're gonna do the step back. This is the step back. You just tap the down D-pad. It's really that easy. This is only a console video, so if you're on PC or something, y'all in bad luck. So yeah, you could use the left D-pad and stuff to kind of change it, like behind the back chain move, you feel me? Yeah, but I don't got much time, so we have to run through this video quick, my guy. So yeah, and you can do the double step back. And now we're doing the hold on, we're not finished. Forgot to record this audio, so it's gonna look a little trash, but I have to fix that somehow. Anyways, so we're just doing this, you know. I'll just get in the camera, like my drip, like the drip work for real. Now we're doing the double step back. You can chain it with some moves. Green bean. Honestly, that felt so good to say. I ain't gonna cap. But yep, so we gonna get into this now. I think we're doing the spin move next. Honestly, yeah, so my character, I'm just AFK for real. Not really doing anything for real. So, yeah. Now we're doing the little spin move. So, if you're on PC and console, it's easy. But mobile players, shit, you got to smooth your screen. Sensitivity or something. But I was doing this on a mobile phone with my controller. So, yeah, you can just use the spin. The spin really is just nothing really. It's just the same thing, but you just like, it's cool. You use it if you like really need it. It's needed like situations where you have to spin, chain combo, and it gets you open pretty much all the time. So yeah. Anyway, I think we're about to get into some post-action. By the way, this is pre-edited, so I don't have the recording of this because I forgot to record that because I don't really have a way. Now we're just doing the spin. The spin like chain, but what you want to do is do the left D-pad, down D-pad, then right. But you want to do that counterclockwise for the next. Now we're just doing post moves. You want to click LT, let go of LT, and then get that little jelly. For real. Yeah, no, I'm hype. I just got off a Nutribar of Skittles, I feel like. So yeah, that's what we do it. Do that little post. You could just literally like move your little stick around, joystick, or you could just keep clicking LT. Like spamming that bit. For real. Now the spin. Just keep spamming. Just spam the circle. That's all you gotta do. Spam the circle. It's really easy to do. Ooh, watch that. Hey! You feel me? I got this new build. It's a knockdown ball handler. I'm gonna give y'all that build someday. But today ain't the day. But we doing this shit for real. Honestly, we doing this. Spin. I gotta get this wrapped up because my friend waiting for me in a Discord call. So we gotta get this wrapped up. So we doing the spin. Ooh, hey, give me that dunk. Oh, feel me? Yeah. Y'all don't know how hyped I am, bro. I'm off of Nutribar Skittles, for real, for real. Yeah, so you just wanna, when you're doing the post, you wanna kind of get far away, so, like, you don't, like, go into it, and then, like, there's a glitch where, like, you have to run into it, but if you run too close, like, too far or something, it's not gonna work, so just, like, you do it like that, and, yeah, so that's really all I got for y'all guys, and hope y'all like this video. Help me get more subs so I can get this custom build for real. I'm gonna be trying to upload daily. I can't make promises anymore because I haven't uploaded like a week, for real. So yeah, hope y'all like this. Enjoy.